Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most vibrant and iconic cities in the world, New York City. Get ready to explore the Big Apple with us as we uncover all the incredible things to see and do in this bustling metropolis. Iconic landmarks. No trip to New York City is complete without visiting its iconic landmarks. First stop, the Statue of Liberty. Take a ferry ride to Liberty Island and marvel at this symbol of freedom and democracy. Next up, Ellis Island, where you can learn about the fascinating history of immigration to the United States. And don't forget to capture those postcard-perfect shots of the Manhattan skyline from Battery Park. Now, we're off to the world-famous Empire State Building, where you can ascend to the observation deck on the 86th floor for jaw-dropping panoramic views of the city. It's a view you won't want to miss. Cultural hotspots. New York City is a melting pot of cultures, and there's no better place to experience this diversity than in its cultural hotspots. Let's start with the Metropolitan Museum of Art, known as the Met. With over 2 million works of art spanning 5,000 years, it's a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. For the theater lovers out there, Broadway is a must-visit. Catch a world-class musical, or play in the heart of Times Square, the dazzling epicenter of entertainment. And if you're into museums, don't miss the Guggenheim, MoMA, and the American Museum of Natural History. They're simply awe-inspiring. Food and cuisine. New York City is a foodie's paradise. From street food to Michelin-starred restaurants, there's something for every palate. Start your day with a classic New York bagel and cream cheese. Then venture into the diverse neighborhoods for a culinary journey. Head to Little Italy for mouthwatering pasta and cannoli, or Chinatown for dim sum and authentic Chinese dishes. Don't forget to try a classic New York slice of pizza. It's simply delicious. And, of course, indulge in some black and white cookies and cheesecake for a sweet treat. Green spaces. Amidst the city's hustle and bustle, you'll find some beautiful green spaces to unwind and relax. Central Park, a massive urban oasis, offers walking trails, boating, picnicking, and even live performances. It's a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. Another gem is the High Line, a former elevated railway line turned into a stunning park. Stroll along this elevated pathway, surrounded by gardens and public art, while enjoying unique views of the city. Shopping and fashion. New York City is a shopper's paradise, with an abundance of retail districts and flagship stores. Fifth Avenue is the go-to spot for luxury shopping, while Soho offers trendy boutiques and unique art galleries. And if you're looking for some bargains, don't miss the famous Macy's department store. But it's not just about shopping. New York City is a fashion capital. Spot the latest trends on the streets, and if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of Fashion Week events. Family-friendly activities. Traveling with the family? No worries. New York City has plenty of family-friendly activities. Let's start with the American Museum of Natural History, where kids can explore fascinating exhibits and get up close with dinosaurs. Next, head to the Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum, where you can step aboard an aircraft carrier and see vintage planes and space shuttles. And for a fun-filled day, don't miss Coney Island, with its amusement park rides, beach boardwalk, and the world-famous Nathan's Hot Dogs. Music and nightlife. If you're a music lover or a night owl, New York City has got you covered. The city's music scene is legendary, and you can catch live performances of various genres, from jazz and blues to indie and rock, in iconic venues like the Bowery Ballroom and the Apollo Theater. As the sun sets, the city's nightlife comes alive. Explore trendy neighborhoods like Williamsburg in Brooklyn, where you can find rooftop bars with stunning views and buzzing dance floors. Hidden gems and neighborhoods. While the well-known attractions are a must-see, New York City is full of hidden gems and unique neighborhoods waiting to be explored. Take a stroll through Greenwich Village's charming streets with its bohemian vibe, or head to the artsy and diverse community of Bushwick in Brooklyn for some incredible street art. Explore the quaint cobblestone streets of Dumbo, where you'll find spectacular views of the Manhattan Bridge and waterfront parks. Each neighborhood has its own character and charm, offering a different perspective on the city. Sports and entertainment. New York City is home to some of the most iconic sports teams in the world. Catch a baseball game at Yankee Stadium. Or a basketball match at Madison Square Garden, home of the New York Knicks and Rangers. The atmosphere is electric, and it's an unforgettable experience for any sports fan. And for a unique entertainment experience, head to the famous Radio City Music Hall to witness the world-famous Rockettes' high-kicking precision and enjoy spectacular performances. And that concludes our epic journey through the incredible sights and experiences of New York City. From its iconic landmarks to its diverse culture, delicious cuisine, and vibrant nightlife, this city truly has it all. We hope you enjoyed this virtual adventure with us. Let us know in the comments below if you've been to New York or if it's on your bucket list. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy travels.